Okay, so imagine if James Bond and a TikTok influencer teamed up to fill a shopping cart. Yeah, it'd look something like this. Pocket-sized tools that unfold like magic tricks, lights that throw a party on your walls, and even gadgets that push buttons for you because why not? What happens when your lights literally float in the air? The moment this thing powers on, the blades begin to spin, and a 3D image appears, floating right in the air. This is a 3D hologram fan, basically a spinning LED array that tricks your eyes into seeing full video animation, just visuals that look like they're straight out of sci-fi. You control everything from an app. Upload any video you want and it starts floating right there in the air. You even get 700 clips to start with. Ads, ambient loops, seasonal visuals. The most surprising part is just how bright it is. Even in a well-lit room, the visuals pop. And the colors? Super crisp. Bonus, there's Bluetooth, so you can pair it with a speaker and match visuals with sound. Imagine this at a party or product launch. It draws people in fast. You also get a remote so you're not stuck fiddling with your phone mid-demo. We finally launched No Fake Tech. It's a place where people share honest, real-world reviews about the gadgets they actually use, ask questions, and discuss different products. No fake ratings, no bot stars. None of that marketplace nonsense you sometimes see on Amazon or manufacturer websites. Here you can share your real experience, good or bad, without worrying about getting banned or filtered out like on other platforms. And the most active members will be able to get free gadgets from brands to test and review. The link to nofaketech.com is in the description. Ever seen a wall turn into your personal tool army? Wait till you see this. Finally, a pegboard system that not only stores tools, but keeps them organized effortlessly. Hooks, bends, racks, even little locks to keep everything right where you left it. There are 278 pieces. Yeah, 278. 1 minute you're drowning in loose screws and tangled cables, and the next it's like you've unlocked some secret workshop level. Every hook style you can imagine is in here. Straight, curved, angled, even ones that look like they came off a spaceship. They snap into place, hold fast, and somehow make your clutter look artistic. Pocket-sized, but somehow ready for a zombie apocalypse? Meet the Gerber Gear Dime, a multi-tool that punches way above its weight. It folds open like a tiny transformer. Then click, you're holding real tools. Not novelty stuff. The pliers actually grip. The cutters actually cut. And yeah, it's stainless steel, which means it can take the abuse of opening, fixing, tightening, and still look like it just came out of the box. The size is ridiculous. Slip it in your pocket, hook it on your keys, forget it's there until you need it. And then it's a how did I ever live without this moment? But don't get too comfortable. The next gadget is way less practical and way more fun to fidget with. Part desk toy, part mini machine, and it might get you in trouble during meetings. This one's pure mischief in metal form. Heavy in the hand, smooth to the touch, and packed with moving parts that just beg to be clicked, spun, and flipped. The best part? It's got a tiny hidden launcher. Yep, push the right spot and it springs to life. Suddenly, your stress relief is also a desk battle weapon. There's a ratchet click, a high-speed spinner, and enough tactile satisfaction to keep your brain busy during the most boring Zoom call of your life. But here's the twist. It's not just for killing time. Some people swear that fidgeting like this actually helps them think. Once the fidgeting stops and ideas start clicking, a tool is needed to turn them into results quickly. This isn't just a number pad, it's a command center with RGB swagger. At first glance, it's just extra keys. But tap one and suddenly you're launching your calculator, copy-pasting like a pro, or flipping through pages faster than you can say Excel wizard. It's got 30 programmable keys with shortcuts baked right in, even numlock, page up, page down, and delete. It's tri-mode connected, that's Bluetooth 5.0, 2.4 GHz wireless, and USB-C wired. You can link it to 3 devices at once and swap between them instantly. Look up and you'll notice the TFT display showing battery, mode, even custom GIFs you load yourself. Yep, your number pad can have memes. And that chunky metal knob? It's your volume dial, but press the right combo and it switches to screen mode control. And once the desk setup is feeling efficient, why not level up the way notes and ideas are captured? This notebook doesn't run out of pages ever. Write your ideas down, scan them into the cloud, wipe the page clean, repeat until you run out of ideas, which hopefully never happens. Using the Pilot Frixion pen, your scribbles vanish with just a damp cloth. No crumpled paper, no oops moments that live forever. The Rocketbook app beams your notes straight into Google Drive, Dropbox, OneNote, wherever your digital brain lives. The dotted pages work for everything: mind maps, doodles, bullet journaling, or that next big idea at 2 a.m. The build feels premium too: waterproof cover, spiral binding, and paper that actually feels like paper, but without killing more trees. And since it comes in 2 sizes, you can tuck it in a small bag or spread out on your desk like a full-sized sketch pad. And while the Rocketbook keeps ideas safe, this next gear can help protect and move actual files too. This thing's like a VIP armored limo for your SSD. Slide your drive inside and suddenly you've got 1,000 megabit per second speeds. That's 1,000 photos in 5.5 seconds or a 4K movie in 22. A built-in high-speed fan keeps it cool so even big projects won't slow it down. No overheating meltdowns here. It's tiny and sleek, half the size of a credit card and light enough to clip onto your bag. And it's tough. IP54 rated for water and dust, plus drop-proof from 6.6 feet. You could take it hiking, though maybe leave the 4K editing for later. It's even got write protection, so you can plug into public computers without fearing data tampering or accidental deletion. And the compatibility list? Massive. Works with PCs, Macs, Android, consoles, Steam Deck, basically anything with USB-C. Of course, once work's done, there's nothing like zoning out with some good music. These earbuds don't just play music, they wear it. Imagine earbuds with their own little touchscreen that lets you scroll playlists, tweak EQ, and even find them if they vanish into the couch cushions. The sound? Crisp enough to make you hear parts of your favorite song you didn't know existed. And if the world's too loud, the ANC kicks in like a mute button for reality. Here's the fun part. These things aren't scared of a little rain or gym sweat. They'll run for 5 hours on a charge, then grab a power snack from the case, all while showing you exactly how much juice is left. Oh, and you can switch from rock to jazz to disco with one tap. Just try not to switch to DJ mode during a meeting. But earbuds still need a charge, and juggling all your devices is another story. A tidy stand that charges your phone, earbuds, and smartwatch all at once. No more hunting for 3 different cables every night. This isn't a charger, it's a charging stage. Your phone, earbuds, and watch all line up like VIP guests. No cable chaos, no scavenger hunt for adapters. The base even spins 180 degrees with a click that's more satisfying than bubble wrap. The MagSafe grip, strong enough to hold your phone steady while you binge videos or doom scroll. And the nightlight can glow soft or blink like a tiny rave. And here's the kicker. It folds flat and slips in your bag. You plug it in and suddenly your dance party has a headliner. It's got a built-in amp that makes music sound clear enough to catch every lyric, even the ones you've been mumbling wrong for years. The battery? 10 hours of playtime. Enough for a road trip, a picnic, and a lazy Sunday afternoon. The best part? It doesn't even need Bluetooth. Just plug it into any device with a headphone jack and you're in business. It's the kind of just toss it in the bag gadget you end up using more than you expect. Imagine landing in a new country, pulling out your phone charger and realizing the plug looks like it was designed by aliens. That's the moment this tiny travel adapter becomes your superhero. It's not just one plug, it's every plug hiding in one compact block of genius. USA, UK, EU, AU. It's like it's been collecting passport stamps its whole life. And it's no slowpoke either. Need your laptop at 100% before boarding? This thing can do it in the time it takes to sip a bad airport latte. Phone? Half charged before you've even cleared customs. With 3 USB-C ports and a USB-A, you can charge your camera, headphones, and power bank all at once. The secret? A GAN-powered brain that keeps everything cool and safe, even when it's pushing laptop-level power through a wall socket in some 200-year-old hotel. Toss it in your bag and suddenly you're immune to the weird wiggly world of foreign outlets. But staying connected isn't just about keeping your battery alive. Sometimes it's about keeping an eye on everything while you're away. This little thing looks like it could be a toy, until you realize it's streaming 4K video straight to your phone. That's spy movie territory. Hide it on a bookshelf, wedge it between plants, or stick it somewhere the cat can't knock it over. It blends right in. Night vision? Absolutely. It sees in the dark better than most people see in daylight. Motion detection? The moment something moves, ping, you're in the loop, no matter where you are. And here's the kicker. The battery can last 100 days on standby. That's 3 months of silent, watchful security. Whether it's catching package thieves, checking in on pets, or making sure your friend didn't borrow your stuff again, this camera has you covered. And you don't need to be a tech wizard to use it. 3 quick steps and you're watching live from anywhere in the world. Security starts small, but it can also spread to cover your whole home, even something as ordinary as your mailbox. Remember checking the mailbox 3 times a day just in case? Yeah, those days are over. This clever little sensor tells you the second your mailbox opens, and yes, it talks to Alexa if you want a dramatic "You've got mail" announcement every time. It's battery-powered, weather-resistant, and doesn't need a hub if you've got Amazon Sidewalk. You can even make it trigger cameras or lights when it detects movement, which is great if you want to freak out the mailman with a spotlight every morning. It's the kind of tiny upgrade that makes you wonder why you didn't do it sooner. No more guessing games, no more wasted trips to an empty box. And if a mailbox can be smart, there's no reason light switches can't be too. This might be the laziest invention ever. And I mean that in the best possible way. Stick it next to almost any rocker switch or button and it'll literally press it for you. Lights, coffee machine, garage door? Yup, it's your personal fingerbot. Set timers in the app, make it part of your morning routine, or control it from anywhere with a hub. And not just for lights, imagine your espresso machine turning on before you even crawl out of bed. It's so absurdly simple that once you have one, you'll start looking at every button in your house thinking, I could automate that. But why stop at flipping switches when you can control the entire garage remotely? You're halfway to work when you realize, did I close the garage? With this gadget, you don't have to turn around. A quick glance at your phone tells you, and if it's open, tap, and it's shut. It works with Alexa, Google, Siri, and just about every major smart home system. Old garage opener from the 90s? Probably compatible. Brand new one? Definitely compatible. You can even set it to close automatically at night so you never accidentally leave it open. It's the kind of upgrade that quietly changes your day-to-day life. You don't notice it until one day you realize you've stopped worrying about the garage altogether. And since the garage is car central, let's roll right into something designed to keep your wheels in perfect shape. Imagine your car tire going flat in the middle of nowhere. Nightmare, right? Now imagine pulling something out of your bag that looks small enough to be a power bank and inflating that tire in under half a minute. And here's the fun part. You set your pressure, walk away, and it stops itself. No babysitting, no guessing, just done. It's got 5 different modes, so whether it's a car, a bike, or even your basketball, it's basically the Swiss Army knife of air. Oh, and at night, it lights up like it's ready to do pit stops at Le Mans. And for the moments when you're not just fixing a tire, but building or fixing anything at home, you might want the next one in your toolkit. Ever start putting something together and 5 screws in, your wrist feels like it's been going through a workout? This little gadget says, nah, I've got this. It's a precision electric screwdriver that can handle your phone, laptop, drone, and even your fancy camera, all without stripping a single screw. The torque? Spot on. The 50 different bits? Magnetic and tucked neatly in a case that pops open with the kind of click that makes you want to open and close it just for fun. And here's the kicker. It can run through hundreds of tiny screws before you even think about charging it again. If IKEA knew you had this, they'd probably start selling furniture with even more screws. But what if you need something that lines things up so perfectly even your inner perfectionist smiles? You know that one picture frame that's been hanging just a little crooked for 3 years? Yeah, this thing is its worst enemy. The D2 shoots out a bright green laser, 4 times brighter than red, so you can see it clear as day, even outside in full sunlight. It's tiny, fits in your pocket, is dust, water, and shock resistant, and can stick to metal surfaces while rotating 360 degrees like it's showing off. Need it perfectly level? It'll do it automatically. Want to lock it and work at an angle? Done. And here's the best part, it keeps going for 10 hours straight without a break. Basically, if you've got shelves, photos, or a DIY project, it's like having a tiny construction wizard in your pocket. And once your project's lined up, you're going to want a light that works as hard as you do. This is no ordinary flashlight, it's pocket-sized chaos in the best way, with 2 light sources, 7 RGB colors, and a head that rotates 180 degrees so you can shine it exactly where you want. Clip it to your bag, stick it to your car hood, or set it up in your tent. Hands-free lighting has never looked this cool. Need subtle white light? It's got it. Need a flashing beacon to say, hey, over here? Also got it. Want to turn your hike into a mini rave? Oh, it's ready. Waterproof, USB-C fast charging, and bright enough to make you feel like a superhero on night patrol. The only problem, you might start looking for excuses to use it. On No Fake Tech, some people leave honest reviews. Some share pros and cons of their gadgets. Others just come to ask for advice or discuss what's worth buying. And a few simply show off their latest purchase. And even though the platform is built mainly around user reviews, we don't limit anyone to a specific format. It's all real, normal conversations. None of the boosted or manipulated stuff you see on big marketplaces. The most active users, the ones who consistently post genuine reviews, will get a chance to receive free products from the brands we partner with so they can test them and share their impressions. So if you want to read real opinions, share your own experience, or just ask a question about any gadget, check out nofaketech.com. The link's in the description.